Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of Learning with Lucy. That's me, by the way. I'm one of the sales executives here at Beadle's Jaguar Land Rover in Watford. I'm lucky enough to be sitting in our beautiful brand new Defender, and I wanted to just take a moment to show you our Pivi Pro system. It's super easy to use, really quick system, but the first thing that you'll want to do when you step into your new car is of course connect your mobile phone. So all you need to do is just tap the center button to connect your phone. On the left hand side it will then prompt me to pair a new device. I just tap this plus button here, and then on the right hand side it's going to ask me to search on my phone for the Land Rover Defender. There it is. Give it a tap on there. It will then ask me to pair and make sure that the two numbers correspond to each other, which they do. It will also ask me if I want to allow my contacts to sync. Of course I do, so they appear on the screen. So I just tap allow on here. After that, you can choose if you want to upload more devices or whether you just want to use your phone for media rather than incoming phone calls, and switch between two phones as well. Look forward to catching up with you again next week. Thanks for your time.